ready to build your custom log home? Here's 5 quick tips to get you started along the way. Number one, you start with a vision. How will your family use the home? Is this your primary residence? Perhaps it's a vacation rental. Maybe it's a vacation home. That can have a lot to do with the design features that we start to choose. All right, find the right partner. Uh, Generally, a handshake is a good way to start the home building process. Make sure it's a reputable company. Make sure it's somebody that you're comfortable with. Also, choose an experienced log home builder. Choose somebody that's been around a while. Know your budget. That's very important. Show financial advisor. Talk to your financial advisor. Talk to your bankers. Talk to your mortgage agents. See what works for you in your budget. Also, set a realistic budget. Factor in things like land prep. Do you want that wraparound porch, the vaulted great rooms? What are in the design features? Where can you cut costs? Pick your land early. This is very important. We can build a house, we can plant a tree, but we got to have somewhere to do it. So finding that land is key. Also, designs for you. We can custom design a home, or maybe we have something in our standard catalog that fits your needs. I'll be honest with you. I don't know that I've ever built a home that's actually in our catalog. It might start with that, but generally we have some customization that our customers do to each individual home. We really want to make it yours. With the right plan, the right team, your dream home isn't that far away. We would love to help you here at Honest Abe. Thanks.